In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Sheets and Excel data into Notion. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and make data management a breeze, this tutorial is just what you need. Let's dive right in. First, if you're using Google Sheets, you'll need to download your file as a CSV. Why CSV, you might ask? CSV, or comma-separated values, is a simple file format, compatible with various applications. It simplifies the data import process in Notion. To do this, open your Google Sheets file, navigate to the File menu, and hover over Download. From there, select Comma-Separated Values, CSV. This will save a copy of your spreadsheet as a CSV file on your computer. For those using Excel, the process is similar. Open your Excel document, go to the File tab, and choose Save As. You'll need to specify CSV as the file type. This ensures the file is formatted correctly for importing into Notion. Again, CSV is the preferred choice because it maintains data integrity across platforms, ensuring a smooth transition of your information. Once your CSV is ready, head over to Notion. If you don't have a page set up yet, create a new one. When you're on your new Notion page, type in CSV. Typing this command will give you access to the import function. Select CSV from the options presented, and you'll be able to upload your file. This integration is what makes Notion so versatile, allowing you to manage your data efficiently across platforms. Next, if you're importing into an existing Notion database, it's crucial to ensure that your CSV column headers exactly match the property names in your Notion database. This step is vital because if any headers don't match, Notion might create new properties instead of aligning with existing ones. Taking a moment to double-check this can save you from unnecessary headaches later. Once your file is uploaded, Notion will prompt you to begin mapping. This means you'll align your CSV headers with the Notion properties. It's a straightforward process, but make sure to go through it carefully to ensure everything maps correctly. This mapping step is where the CSV's simplicity shines. It makes aligning the data between different platforms more intuitive. Finally, you may need to adjust property types. Notion gives you the flexibility to change property types as needed, ensuring your data is not only organized, but also functional based on your needs. This adjustment could mean setting a text field as a date or a number, for instance, ensuring your data can be used as intended. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to move your data from Google Sheets and Excel into Notion, making your data management both seamless and efficient. Enjoy the newfound ease in organizing your information, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workflows.